Welcome. In this module, we'll talk about CMMI. And since we're talking about standards and frameworks, CMMI is one of the major frameworks that is used in the software industry especially. So Capability Maturity Model, CMM, is a methodology used to develop and refine an organization's software development process primarily. The model describes a 5-level evolutionary path of increasingly organized and systematically more mature processes. And these are the 5 steps or characteristics of the maturity levels. In the beginning, you have level 1, which is called initial. Processes are unpredictable, poorly controlled, and reactive. And then we go to level 2, which is called managed. Processes are characterized for projects as often reactive. Level 3 is defined. Processes characterized for the organization and is proactive. And projects tailor their processes from organization standards. Level 4 is quantitatively managed. Processes are measured and controlled. And level 5 is the top level, is called optimizing and focus on process improvement. Now, CMM, Capability Maturity Model, was developed and is promoted by the Software Engineering Institute, or SEI, which was actually funded and developed by the Department of Defense, and it was developed at Carnegie Mellon University. And now it's present and has been taken over by the ISACA organization, and it's called the CMMI Institute. The Capability Maturity Model Integration, or CMMI, is a performance improvement model for competitive organizations that want to achieve high-performance operations. Building upon an organization's business performance objectives, CMMI provides a set of practices for improving processes, resulting in performance improvement system that paves the way for better operations and performance. So a lot of emphasis on process and improvement of the processes. More than any other approach, CMMI doesn't just help to improve organizational processes. CMMI also has built-in practices that help to improve the way you use any performance improvement approach, setting you up to achieve a positive return on investment. So it's a lot of efficiency on how to improve your processes and improve optimization of the processes. CMMI does not provide a single process. Rather, the CMMI provides guidance on what to do to improve your processes, not define your processes. CMMI is designed to compare an organization's existing processes to proven best practices developed by members of industry, government, and academia, reveal possible areas for improvement, and provide ways to measure progress. And CMMI helps you to build and manage performance improvement systems that fit any and your unique environment. So this is a diagram showing the 3 separate constellations that we have for CMMI. There's one related to development. CMMI Dev provides guidance for managing, measuring, and monitoring development processes, and this is what we use in the software industry. And then there's CMMI Service, which provides guidance for delivering services within organizations and to external customers. And then there's CMMI ACQ, which is CMMI Acquisition, which provides guidance to enable informed and decisive acquisition leadership. And in all, the 16 core processes which are used in all of these 3 constellations. So CMMI is a very well-regarded and respected framework, especially used in the software industry, and highly useful for demonstrating process and capabilities or skill set and competence to customers, partners, and investors, usually of the software house or the software company. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.